Okay, here's another dynamo automation. This one will check parameter in electrical circuit. It will check the panel Excel name, the MCB poles, and then the rating. So it will match all these three columns here, will match into the Excel um, column also. So when we run Dynamo, these three columns in Revit and three columns in Excel, they will match each other. Then after that, if match, then the wire type should be placed here. Okay, so this wire type is the actual Revit wire type in electrical settings. So if I go to manage MAP electrical settings, so this one, you have to input all the um, names of the wire size. So there are times that sometimes it's not uh, updated, or not all the list in Excel is listed here. So what you need to do is you have to update it all. So in this example, I just intentionally not put the wiring types name from Excel to Revit, so that we will see the difference. Okay. So now, so imagine if we don't use Dynamo automations, you have to select here one by one, and then you select here. Or you can also, there's also another shortcut, maybe you go to the sorting, and then I think, I don't know if it is possible, and then from here you select, but here you already missed the polls and the rating, so that's why it's time consuming to select all the wire types one by one. Okay, the version of this Revit is and Dynamo is script is 2017. Okay, the lower version. So here. Okay, so again, this is a text parameter. So when we run Dynamo, all the Excel columns in the wire types will populate here, and this is the actual Revit wire type. So it's like a checker, wire type checker for the DB electrical circuit schedule. Okay, so okay, let's open the Dynamo. This is the Dynamo now. So I spend enough time also to finish all this script. So this is the script. So from electrical circuits in Revit, you have to check the panel Excel parameter, MCB pools rating, and then get the parameter value. Then after that, you have to match them. Okay, and then after matching, you match also from Excel. You get also the Excel data, and then after matching the Excel data, you add the uh, index to it. So then get the wire types. I cannot explain really because this one by one, because I don't have enough time, but you can see, I think you can see the nodes and script. So yes, I'll just slowly move this one. So this one is the wire type in Revit. So I will just temporarily freeze this one. So I will first automate the wire type checker parameter from Excel. If the three parameter match in Excel and Revit, and they will write this wire type in Revit directly. So let's check now. Script. So and then we run this one to automatic. So as you can see, the Dynamo already populated what is in the Excel value because this is type parameter, instance parameter text. But this one, it will not populate because I freeze the um, element set parameter here. This one. Okay. So why this one is blank? Because if you check in the manage uh, 500 amperes, what will be the value? Let's check in it. 500. How come there's no 500 ampere? Let's check. EDB 4P. EDB 4P. There's no such as 500. So this we lower this one. Okay, to 400. Okay, let me pause the Dynamo manual. Okay, so that we can change this one. 400. Oh my god, why is not changing? 300. Okay, maybe I will save this one first. Say 200. Again, how come it's not changing? 4P. Let's check. We'll change this one to 4P 300. Now it will not change. Anyway, if it will not change, okay, we can just add this one. Let's say for just example, I'll add here EDP 500 and 4P EDP. So let's say so I will go for just for example 5,185 then 200. Let's say 500. Just an example, okay. Copy. Then we go to manage settings, electrical settings. Wiring type. I want to add that one. Okay. So we already added the 500. Press OK. So if I run again now the Dynamo, also in Excel, I want to save this one and then close. If I run now the Dynamo, it will populate the 500 that we made. Okay, so it's just an example, but all of this came from Excel matching from Revit. Now the next part is to automate also this one from Revit. So if I unfreeze this one, it will automate also and then run. So it will automate also to check, to input the wire type. And also we can check also this one here it's matching. Okay, so that's the automation. It's like a lookup table in schedule. So it's not only useful in electrical circuit schedule. You can use also in mechanical, other electrical schedules. So the same process, we can apply these automations by matching all the information from Revit parameters and Excel column. So I think that's let's check if it's really correct. So let's say 500. Yeah, I think I just added the 500 here. EDB 4P 500 amperes is 51C by 1C 500 FR cable. So if we check also another TPN MP1 TPN 20 and 40. So 20, this one is 41C4 mm PVC cable CPC, and this is the text. So this XL is actually this one. Okay, so that's I think that's it for the lookup schedule automation. And so all this information here from all this column can be automated as long as you have an Excel table. So I think that's it.